What is the process of updating my Vizio Smart TV?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the process of updating your Vizio Smart TV. Keeping your TV's software up to date ensures you have access to the latest features, improvements, and bug fixes. So, let's dive right in and learn how to update your Vizio Smart TV.
Checking for available updates.
The first step is to check if there are any available updates for your Vizio Smart TV. To do this, follow these simple steps. 1. Turn on your Vizio Smart TV and press the Menu button on your remote control. 2. Using the arrow keys, navigate to the Settings option and press OK to select it. 3. In the Settings menu, navigate to the System option and press OK. 4. Now, scroll down and select Check for Updates. Your TV will now connect to the Vizio servers to check for any available updates.
Downloading and installing updates.
Great! Now that you've checked for updates, let's move on to downloading and installing them. Here's what you need to do. 1. If your Vizio Smart TV detects an available update, it will prompt you with a message asking if you want to download and install it. Select Yes to begin the update process. 2. Depending on the size of the update and your internet connection speed, the download process may take some time. Make sure your TV is connected to a stable internet connection throughout the update. 3. Once the download is complete, your Vizio Smart TV will automatically begin the installation process. During this time, do not turn off your TV or disconnect it from the power source. 4. The installation process usually takes a few minutes. You'll see an on-screen progress bar indicating the status of the update. Once the installation is complete, your Vizio Smart TV will automatically restart.
Verifying the update.
Congratulations! You've successfully updated your Vizio Smart TV. However, it's a good practice to verify the update to ensure it was installed correctly. Here's how you can do it. 1. After your TV has restarted, go back to the Settings menu by pressing the Menu button on your remote control. 2. Navigate to the System option and select it. 3. Scroll down and choose System Information. This will display information about your TV, including the currently installed software version. 4. Compare the software version displayed with the latest version available on the Vizio website or by contacting Vizio support. If they match, it means your TV has been successfully updated. That wraps up our guide on updating your Vizio Smart TV. Remember to periodically check for updates to ensure you're making the most of your TV's features and improvements. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Vizio support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.